So right, I'm going to be jumping into this section here and putting this together. Maybe not the brake pads or anything like that, but I need to do this because I'll be using this. So yeah, I'm going to construct this. It's all part of the engine anyway, but it's just going to be a bit confusing for me in the video editing. Might be confusing for you, but it'd be confusing for me. These are very, very tricky to cut off. Bit you have to do, because you have to bend this bit of plastic. Now I have to use clamps here because it's quite tough, and you have to bend it right round. Never done this before, but I'll show you what I did, because obviously so yeah, first of all you've got to stick these two bits together. Together, no problem, but you have to make sure the holes line up. So you have to make sure you have to get it in the right place so that these holes line up. Now another thing you have to do is to make sure that spiky bit's at the top. I'll just carry on cleaning up this a bit. So yeah, so that's the top. So does go, and they do all line up with the holes. But what you kind of have to do is use super glue, because it's obviously a lot tougher. Oh. And you have to get a clamp. Yes, and be careful because they do ping off. You do have to kind of try and stick it down. You can hold it for a minute. So I'm going to stop the video there. So after a bit of struggling, I did actually put elastic band around that one as well, but I've got the clamp on because you do need to get this bit flush, for it to line up properly with this bit which connects to the floor, and it will have to line up properly. But it does go. So this one, I'm hoping that's secure now, and it is. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of glue there and there, hopefully it might not matter with that bottom one too much, so I'm quite happy to leave that. But that one, obviously, I might try and get that one in a bit more. But anyway, that's the general idea. And then you stick this bit together, and that secures to the floor. And I believe it sits like that, or a bit like that. So anyway, I'll crack on and make another one of them. Don't need to watch that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to assemble this. I'm also going to put this little bit together. I might assemble this as well, but the main part is this. So this looks like it's going to be a proper challenge to take off. Now this one, see, you can see the cogs, so you have to kind of pinging them across the floor, across the ground. So yeah, I think I've done that quite successfully. So there you go, so that's probably usually going to dry. Going dry, as it says. Voila, there you go.